Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to enable device in Windows 11. Click Start menu, click Search bar, then tap Task Manager. Then open Task Manager. Click File option. Then select Run New Task. Then click Browse. Click this PC. Click Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Find CMD file. Double click CMD. Check the box. Click OK. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Click Start menu. Then click Microsoft Store. Click Search bar, then type Widget Launcher. Click Widget Launcher. Click Get. Click Open. Click Close. Here you can see all desktop gadgets. Add desktop gadget as per your choice. Add skin to customize your desktop. Then click Launch Widget. You can find various widgets in categories like time and date, weather and news, CPU meter, slideshow, currency convert, unit convert, sticky notes, calculator etc. You can change the color of the gadget if you want. You can see I have changed the color. You can change the color of the all gadget according to your choice. Then click Apply. Restart your operating system. Thanks for watching.